AI is reshaping industries, transforming the workforce, and captivating the imagination of leaders and innovators.
We cannot deny the fact that we live in an AI era. If you're worried about your job being safe from disruption by AI, here's a risk-free career option to help you be financially stable in life. Artificial intelligence is affecting almost every areas of work. However, if you think AI will replace you or your job, then you are mistaken. It is not all doom and gloom in the AI era. As per a reported title, The Future of Jobs Report 2020, released by the World Economic Forum, artificial intelligence is estimated to replace 85 million jobs over the world by 2025. Although it sounds scary, the same report says that AI will also create 97 million new jobs in the same time frame. Want to know what kind of jobs can help you lead a risk-free career? Stay tuned. When OpenAI releases human-like ChatGPT software last year in 2022, it sends out a very clear message. AI systems are out there to replace many existing jobs, but don't think humans can be written off so easily. Humanity and human beings are here to stay for several billions of years more. So, what can humans do in an AI era if AI replaces their major roles and jobs? Well, a century back, the advancement of the automobile posed a grave threat to stable hands, but mechanics enjoyed the invention. Similarly, now AI, despite giving several job threats, has also started creating new job opportunities. If you want to know about AI tools such as OpenAI's GPT and Google's Lambda possess, here we give you a short info. Both GPT and Lambda are trained on huge amounts of data that are scraped from the internet to understand, create, and also predict language in sequences. What do in-house developers do when these models give outputs? Well, they change the outputs by launching the language models to the latest word patterns. It equips these models to enhance functions such as creating a summary of a company's 10K annual report filing or suggesting to a client how to file the loan application procedure. Presently, the existing language models are being used by a small number of companies such as financial institutions, and then training them better for their own in-house uses. Then the companies work on the models, then deliver them in a user-friendly format to employees and clients. Now, coming back to how you can explore new career options in the AI times, here we delve into the details. Reskiller is a new type of job position in the field of teaching wherein these professionals will assist people to stay ahead of the machines. Artificial intelligence undoubtedly is more skilled to take on more work that can be done by humans now. This is the reason people need to look for ways to upgrade themselves with the latest skills to be more productive and employable. Reskiller is basically a specialist who can guide humans to develop themselves in such critical skills as artificial intelligence evolve. Reskillers are the ones who will understand the skill sets that companies are looking for when technology advances ahead. There can be new career development arts as generative AI takes shape. Sales professionals are able to write copies and also design websites for their clients through the advent of AI. Then, there are HR professionals who are accepting legal works to become paralegals using AI legal tools. And some marketers are also becoming skilled in graphics designing. Isn't that wonderful? That's the potential of the AI era that is giving more opportunities for people working on one job profile and industries to possess knowledge and skills for the other. So, for example, if earlier startup company required 100 people to complete specific tasks, then, now with the help of AI, the work can be done by 30 people. And Reskillers can be those specialized who can assist those 30 employees to don various hats and complete the task in a timely manner. Another job position that people can explore is AI psychotherapist. Want to know what's that? See, basically financial companies depend on artificial intelligence tools and technology for prediction and decision making. However, there needs to be human intervention to understand the drivers of the AI model's thinking. For example, OpenAI's ChatGPT can be used to generate things like poems and recipes. But you cannot rely on the same models for generating things like credit scores, optimization of investment portfolios, and also giving predictions for liquidity balances. For instance, if a bank regulator has rejected a loan application for a customer, then the customer would really want to know the reason behind the same. Moreover, bank regulators would need explanations to feed in an AI model to make appropriate decisions. AI psychotherapists can put AI models on the couch and train them with test questions. They can evaluate the AI model's upbringing and scrutinize its training information for errors and biased sources. You will be amazed to note that firms like Google, Microsoft, and IBM are racing ahead of time to launch the latest tools to quantify and chart the way AI's thought process are formed. However, similar to Rorschach's test, they need people to interpret their results. AI psychotherapist needs to know the reasoning behind AI, which will be half their job. The other half will be able to finalize a model that is mentally fit to perform the task at hand. The crux of the job profile is that no matter where it is, the AI system that can give results. Ultimately, it is the humans who will be held liable for the outcomes of the use of these AI systems. So, there's a lot of hype that ChatGPT can converse with you, just like a human through prompts. But do you know that the prompts need to be concise and to the point? Who will do that work? Well, it is the job of prompt engineers, who use a combination of programming and management to spell out instructions to the AI system in simple English. This will have to create new ways of generating information for the AI tools like ChatGPT and many more. For example, legal software makers Casetech's new line of engineer platforms with its AI-based legal assistant named CoCounsel. So, this creates job opportunities for prompt engineers to develop CoCounsel's ability by instructing the AI chatbot in about 1,000 words or so to make it understand how to perform different legal tasks. Prompt engineers use language that is precise and to the point. They explain to the AI chatbot how to review documents, summarize research, review, and even edit a contract. For instance, a prompt engineer may begin to outline instructions for a CoCounsel memo by showing the level of expertise required. Your goal is that the memo will display the level of perception, nuance, and attention to detail one would expect from a federal appellate judge drafting a legal opinion. Expert prompt engineers are people who can give very clear instructions, but who also understands the principle of coding. In simple words, they're often outstanding technical managers. Prompt engineers do not manage employees as they are managing AIs. So, what are the skills that will really help you remain on the job without being afraid of unemployment? Well, as per the feature of Jobs Report, 68% of companies consider technological literacy such as data, cloud, and networking fundamentals that have become more important at work, among a few other skills. If this sounds threatening, rest assured because you no longer need to be a tech expert. There are several important training projects that you can invest your money on so that you can understand the emerging AI technologies in a better manner and also know how they are changing the future landscape of businesses. You need to be a multilingual. Knowing one language is not just sufficient in the AI era, but being able to read, write, and speak 2 or more languages, including local and global, as well can help you have an edge over others. Yeah, AI tools also have translations available, but if you are able to communicate across countries and culture, then you have more relevance than AI. If you are not interested in becoming a tech guru, like an engineer or coder, then here is some amazing news. AI has also increased the skills in media and marketing. Online businesses will always want humans to come up with creative ways to interact with their target audiences on the latest platform, solve their queries, and also prompt their services by developing brand awareness. You can stay updated with the latest platform and technologies by taking part in virtual training in digital marketing and media. Since these industries move fast, regularly updating your knowledge will help you stay relevant in the AI era. Knowing more about your environment and understanding how to be sustainable in your job, company, and life can help you stay competitive. Well, AI can also list down solutions to reduce energy consumption, but it is the human inputs to evaluate the design and come up with the data implementation process that will make the company resource efficient. Are you interested in these job options in the evolving AI times? Share your views with us in the comment section below. If you like watching our video, then click on like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more career updates.